this baby doll. It's got the heavy duty cat grapple on it. It's a 325 CL and operates nicely. It has, you can feel there's a little bit of looseness in the pins of the bucket to be expected, but I think it's got a quick coupler on it. We did change the fuel filters and air filter before we started using it, so I mean, it should be pretty well ready to go. It drives nice, it operates nice. Catting up something, I bet you that thing would cost you a pretty penny today. This bucket's going to be considered a 4-foot bucket. It's in good shape, it appears. A few non-factory welds up around there where they probably had some cracks, redid them, which is common. Basically 31.5-inch track on it, wide. We get as good a picture as we can, but hey, the sprockets and the rails on this thing are good. You can see here, those rails are standing tall. It's not even rubbing the pins or anything, and the sprockets look good. This undercarriage is really, really good for a machine of this size. You're going to see a little oil leak here and there, okay? We didn't clean on it, it's in its work clothes. Now there is some old, it's just a little wet on the bottom of that turntable, which is common. We have put no fluid in this. It runs good besides diesel fuel. It's all we put in it. But I'm sure it's got a few little hydraulic leaks around on it, but nothing serious. If y'all want a pretty darn good big machine, this one is. We got some pretty good rains and it's thawing out today. So there is some water kind of trapped inside of it there that's coming out a weep hole, but that's nothing mechanical. We've never even taken a picture of this. It wasn't for sale till today. He said you can sell it. We got the pile down where we need it, so it's time to go down the road and it will be sold. Absolute.